Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show, right here, this one, is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step in over and over again. It is November 2nd. It is a Tuesday. We are almost done with 2021. I'm excited about talking about today's topic because it kind of fits in with all of this, the holiday season. All right. And that is vacation mode. Oh yeah, we are going on vacation mode, as the holiday season is here. We're going to be going away, we're going to be taking time off, the family's going to be around more, all these things happening. What about vacation mode? Specifically, what about vacation mode on Fiverr? So, I talk about Fiverr a lot. I love the platform. And, in this particular episode today, I want to talk to you about how to use and not use the vacation mode properly on Fiverr. All right. So real quick, if you're brand new, please hit that like and subscribe button. Also, if you haven't checked it out, check out the link below to A VO's Journey Elite Academy. We meet 5 times every week for live coaching sessions. We have 5 different coaches. We do voice acting, we do tech and production, we do marketing, business systems. We actually have 2 voice acting classes, and then we have business systems and accountability. Absolutely wonderful. And then right now, actually, for this holiday season, we are offering half off the first month. So check out the link below, or you could check out avosjourney.com for that. All right, cool. So let's talk about vacation mode. I have been torn over vacation mode for a long time, and that's because a couple of years ago, I actually went on vacation for 2 weeks. And, at the time I was making about $2,000 a month on Fiverr a couple years ago. And I went on vacation mode. I went up to Alaska to see my parents. And I had put it on vacation mode for 2 weeks. I came back, I turned it back on, and my business was dead for the entire month. So for another 4 weeks, I had no business, and it was very crushing, right? It felt really crushing. And and it was over the summer, I'll forget this, in 2019. And I was very, very mad because, I'd worked very hard to get up my business, especially on Fiverr to a certain point, and then it was all gone. And I swore at that moment, I would never use vacation mode ever again. So I remember, and I've told this story a little bit, but, I remember laying down on my floor and telling myself, in my living room, in front of the TV with my laptop, I'm I was going to figure out Fiverr. I was going to figure it out why in the world, all this stuff was going on, and why couldn't I master this platform? Even though, $2,000 a month was a lot of money, but I'd lost it all, and in my mind, it was because of that vacation mode. So of course, from that point on, I worked really hard, did a lot of A/B testing, built my business back up on Fiverr, to where it is today. But, and by the way, it's true. I myself and tons of people from our group make 6 figures from Fiverr alone. So don't let anybody tell you can't do that. But anyways, where I'm going with this is that I've given a lot of advice to people, telling them not to put their self on vacation mode. Do you know what I mean? And to instead, if you go on vacation, let's say you go on a week or 2 weeks vacation, I always said, extend out your delivery time so that it's never on vacation mode, right? And I always kind of thought, well, it penalizes you, right? But the reality is that Fiverr doesn't penalize you for putting your stuff on vacation mode. And honestly speaking, as the more I've learned about it, if, for example, you're going to be gone for a day or two, putting your account on vacation mode is not that big of a deal. Basically, all it does is pause your stuff. But here's the thing, just like anything else, the more you pause something, right, the more it's going to, the more it's going to actually, stop you from getting work, right? Makes sense. So, I think in this particular situation, if it's going to be a couple of days, I don't know why my dog's barking, man, there's a plane going overhead. In a couple of days, the holding, the rankings that you have where you are is going to start to slip away. right? Because Fiverr's not going to hold account in a certain spot because it's very fluid. The algorithm is very fluid with a lot of moving parts. So it makes sense that the longer you have your account on vacation mode, right, the longer it's going to take you to build back up that momentum, right, that you have. So it's not that you're penalized. It's, even though it can feel like it, it's that, it's just there's a lot of moving parts. And when you put something on vacation mode, the longer out that you go, the harder it is to build back up your business. So what I started doing was, if I was going away for, 5 days, 7 days, something like that, I would put it on extended delivery. If I was going for a long period of time, I would do extended delivery. If I was going for a day or two overnight somewhere and I can't do something, put it on out of office, put on the out of office sign, right? And that's okay because it's not going to penalize you. We have lots of people and situations, where people have done that. I've done that. It works. I try not to though, the most I can, because I've switched my delivery time to 3 days now anyways. But when I was doing 24 hours, right, that's not possible. So, you got to just really think about extending your delivery time, or if you're going to be completely unavailable, put the out of office on, but only make sure you're doing it for a day or two. Because I think any longer than that, and it's going to cause you to have to work a lot harder to build back up your account to where it is. Do you know what I mean? And that's the same thing for anything, like whether you're posting content on social media, whether you're reaching out to people, it's kind of like a snowball constantly, or a train. Once you stop that train from going, you got to spend all that energy getting it started back up again. So it's just something to think about. So again, to recap, a little bit of time, a day or two, maybe 3 max, I think it's perfectly okay to put on the out of office. Any more than that, you just need to extend your delivery time so that it's not going to affect your numbers. Does that make sense? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you hit that like button, comment below on any of your experiences with out of office or anything if you'd like, and also make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so, and check out a VO's Journey Elite Academy. You will not be sorry. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Take it easy. Goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.